Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a jungle braid tutorial. Keep watching if you wanna know how I achieved the look. First, I'll be using this dummy to show you how to achieve the look. Sis, why are you still talking? Press that subscribe button so that you don't miss any of my next videos. Keep watching. The style is all about pulling that braided part slowly, a part of it, and my hair was very stubborn. It's a synthetic hair, so it was so slippery when I was doing this style. That's the secret about this style, and I will be trying it on my sister's head. I started by parting her hair so that it may be easy for me to grip the braids. As I was recording the style, the lighting was so stubborn and I was unable to record a longer video, so just watch this part of it. And the secret, as I have told you, is pulling that braided part of it so that you can achieve those light flowers on your hairstyle. So pull the braided part so that you can achieve what I'm talking about. Just a part of it, not the whole braided part. Thanks so much for watching, and please subscribe.